why would credit card companies offer the benefits of debt relief? I believe it's no coincidence you're watching this video right now. Stay tuned and you'll see what I mean. All across America, people are taking advantage of this free resource. Listen carefully. If you're the right person, what I'm about to share with you in this video could quite possibly change your life. If you're struggling and burdened by credit cards and other debts, I've got some good news for you. Your debts may qualify for a special debt hardship relief program, particularly if you need assistance due to a personal, family, or medical hardship. If you're in debt, you're not alone. In fact, more than 12 million people have already come to the Debt Relief Center looking for information and help to get out of debt. Hi, I'm Walter Birch, the founder of the Debt Relief Center. All across America, people are taking advantage of this free resource that helps individuals and families get out of debt, lower payments, and get on the path to financial freedom. It's DebtReliefCenter.org, where in just minutes you can request a free debt relief evaluation and savings estimate to learn all about the benefits of debt relief, including which debts qualify for relief, how much lower your payments could be, and how quickly you could resolve your debts. So what could debt relief do for you and how much could you save? At DebtReliefCenter.org, in just minutes you'll find out how much lower your payments could be, your total savings, and how quickly you could get out of debt. The good news is your savings may surprise you. So join over 12 million people who've already visited the Debt Relief Center. It's fast and easy to see if your debts qualify for relief. Simply enter an estimate of the amount of debt you owe, the type of debt you have, select the current hardship you're facing, and just like that, you've just put in your request for debt relief. That's it. It is that easy. So how much does debt relief cost and when could you get started? Well, once you see what debt relief could do for you and how much lower your payments could be, you have the option to get started today. But there's no obligation and no upfront fees. Best of all, your debt relief evaluation and savings estimate is free and will not affect your credit. That's what I call peace of mind. So how does debt relief work? Now, when you request your free debt relief evaluation and savings estimate, you'll receive a personalized debt relief plan. A plan that's created just for you by an experienced, caring, and compassionate debt specialist who can negotiate with creditors on your behalf to reduce your interest rates, lower your payments, or even settle your balances for much less. Imagine what it would feel like seeing all your debts consolidated into one lower payment each month. It's all about an honorable way to get out of debt. Now, here's the bottom line. If you're in debt, you're not alone and we can help you. We understand that life happens. You may be like many good people who get into debt for a variety of reasons, often through no fault of your own. We've all been there at one time or another in our lives. I know I have, but fortunately I was able to discover a way out, and now we're here to help you. So there's no judgment here. You deserve to be treated with dignity and respect. So why would credit card companies offer the benefits of debt relief in the first place? Why do credit card companies often agree to lower interest rates, waive late fees and penalties, or even settle debt for less than the full amount owed? The fact is, when you struggle to make minimum payments or even fall behind, credit card companies often decide to sell off your debt to third-party collectors for as little as 10 or 20 cents on the dollar, rather than collect little or nothing at all if you default entirely on your debt or even if you're forced into bankruptcy. So it really makes sense that when credit card companies see that you're facing a genuine personal, financial, or medical hardship, they may offer you the benefits of debt relief. It's an honorable way out of credit card debt that companies are often more than willing to agree to. So click right here and go to the Debt Relief Center for your free debt evaluation and savings estimate. You may just feel like a huge weight has been lifted right off your shoulders. We're ready to help you right now, so what are you waiting for? I could tell you more about the debts that qualify for relief, like credit cards, store cards, gas cards, medical bills, or personal loan debts. I could tell you something you probably already know, and that is that if you continue making minimum payments on a debt of $20,000 or so, it could easily cost you more than $50,000 in more than 25 years to pay off. I could even share with you some of the heartbreaking notes and stories we've received from people all over the country who reached out to us for help due to reduction in income, family emergencies, medical bills, and so much more. But life is short, so don't wait any longer to find out what debt relief could mean for you and your family. Join the millions of people who have already visited the Debt Relief Center. Go right now to the Debt Relief Center at It only takes a moment to request your free debt evaluation and savings estimate. It's fast, easy, convenient, and it's something you can do today, right now. You know, I'm really glad we met today. I believe you know in your heart there's a good reason why you're still watching this video. In fact, it was created for you. I hope you're excited to learn all about the debt options available to you at the Debt Relief Center. It's a free resource available to you 24/7, and it's a name and a site you can trust. Here's wishing you and your family a debt-free future and the very, very best that life has to offer. We're here to help you now at DebtReliefCenter.org.